Hey guys, Tony Hayes here, and I've got something very powerful that I want to show you. This is a tool that we have been working on for the past few weeks, and we have just kept making it more and more powerful, and it's got to the point where we can rank a video for multiple keywords at the single click of a button. Okay, and this is really incredible stuff. And just to prove a point, you can see here I've got some compare car insurance kind of keywords here, and what I've done is I've created playlists for every single US state. So I've got from Alabama all the way down to Wyoming. You can see here Alaska, Arizona, Arkansas, California, etc, etc. You can see I've done about 50 different playlists, and all I've done is I've put my video at the top of the playlist. Okay, and these other videos within the playlist, they are the top ranking content on YouTube for that particular keyword. So for this one, for example, compare car insurance in Georgia, then this is the #1 video here. Okay, for this one here, hold on a second, it's taking a second just to load this because I've got some resources being used up. So for example, this one here, California, this is the top ranking video here. Okay, that's the #2 video in YouTube. All we've done is we curated, or we got YouTube to curate our content, because YouTube has chosen what ranks within the YouTube search engine, and we've stuck our video at the top. Now, how powerful is this? Well, when we come into the rank checker over here, you can see when I scroll down and I go into the first one here for compare car insurance, that we're on page 1, #1 for compare car insurance in Alabama. Alaska, we're #3. Arizona, #6. This one, Arkansas, #3. This one, California, #8, and so on and so forth. Like, just keep clicking down. I'm just hitting the button here, just going down. There are I think two that did not get rankings, maybe 3 out of 50. Okay, so we've got 47 or 48 rankings so far. Now, this was just done a few hours ago, so I fully expect that we're going to get rankings for them. And what happens here is really incredible as well, because what happens is the playlist will start to rank for all of these keywords, and then the video will start to outrank the playlist. Okay, it just happens naturally without any backlinks whatsoever. The video will start to rank. Okay, so when the video starts ranking, that's the same video that you have used in all of these playlists. Okay, so this video here, for example, is the same video here, so it's going to be ranking for car insurance. Compare car insurance in California, compare car insurance in Colorado, etc, etc. That same video is ranking for multiple keywords, and all it took was the click of a button. Really quite powerful stuff, and this is super powerful when we combine it with some other strategies as well that I have put into the upsells for this particular tool. So just keep an eye out for the training for this one. There's some nuances that need to be used with this so that we can use it correctly, so that we can get the best results from it. And I've also done some interactive Chrome extension checklists for the SEO for this, so that you can go and optimize your video properly, optimize your YouTube channel properly, and also optimize properly for the suggested videos as well, because there's massive amounts of traffic in YouTube, much more than any sort of keyword research tool will ever tell you, because there's so many variables, whether you have a nice thumbnail, whether you've got a compelling call to action, whether you've got a high click-through rate from your subscribers, all that kind of thing. It's really hard to predict how much traffic you can get, but if you get it right, YouTube is a massive opportunity. So being able to rank for the suggested videos as well is really important, and I've got checklists for all these different things as well. Okay, so keep an eye on that. More info to come as I do more demo videos and proof of rankings videos like this one. You saw how powerful this is. 50 states ranking 47 keywords at the click of a button. How easy is that? And look at the keyword, compare car insurance in California, in Texas, in Florida, big states, New York. Wow, this is powerful stuff, guys. Thanks.